Google, in an attempt to try something different than it has since the inception of the Pixel phones, gave us a unique high-end yet relatively cheaper smartphone in the Pixel 5. The Pixel 5 comes with some great features that make it stand out and offers users a great smartphone experience. So if you have plans of buying the Pixel 5, then stick around as I share with you the top 5 features to look out for. Without a doubt, the Pixel 5 has a great design compared to other previous Pixel phones. The phone's body is made of aluminium with what the scientists called a bioresin composite, or in layman's language, plastic. The aluminium together with the plastic gives the Pixel 5 a sturdy feel. Aluminium is quite durable, though it might not look or feel premium compared to the glass on the Pixel 4. The Pixel 5 also sports a rear-mounted fingerprint reader with a USB-C port at the bottom of the phone. You can find the power and volume control buttons on the right side of the phone. These buttons require a little bit of force to press them. For easy identification, Google placed its G logo near the bottom of the phone's back, the exact same place it has been for years. In all, the Pixel 5 definitely has a great build and design. The Pixel 5 came with a 6-inch Full HD adaptive AMOLED display. Instead of going with the fast 120Hz refresh rates other flagship devices have, Google retained the 90Hz refresh rate it started with the Pixel 4. The adaptive nature of the display makes it possible for it to switch from 60Hz to 90Hz depending on the phone's activity at that moment. In the top left side of the Pixel 5 is a punch hole that holds the selfie camera. The hole is very small and doesn't cause any disruptions, but rather gives the Pixel 5 a much better screen-to-body ratio. With colors looking incredible and icons looking like they want to pop off the screen, it won't be wrong to say the Pixel 5 has an excellent display. The first thing that comes to mind when you mention the Google Pixel is its impressive camera quality, and that has been the phone's strongest selling point since day one. The Pixel 5, as we all know, comes with two rear cameras consisting of a 12-megapixel main camera and a 16-megapixel wide camera. On top of this, you have an 8-megapixel front camera for the selfies you love. Aside from the improved camera software in the Pixel 5, Google also introduced exposure bracketing. This feature is to help make photos taken with the new wide lens clearer. Google's fantastic night sights feature for low-light photography can now be used in portrait mode. The portrait light feature has also been introduced in portrait mode. With this feature, you can make dark subjects brighter after you've taken a picture. In order to give you that optimal image stabilization you need for your phone, Google has added 3 new stabilization modes, namely Locked, Active, and Cinematic Pan to the Pixel 5. Pixel 5 features a 4080 mAh battery. It's not a big deal compared to other devices, but it's definitely big when compared to past Pixel phones, since it's the first Pixel phone with such a big battery. You can enjoy up to 8 hours of screen on time on the Pixel 5 with normal usage, but with heavier usage such as playing high graphics games and recording 4K videos, you might be looking at 6 hours of screen on time. The introduction of 5G in the Pixel 5 together with the 90Hz display means battery life will be a great concern to users. In view of this, Google introduced Extreme Battery Saver mode on the Pixel 5. This feature allows users to decide which apps to keep running and which apps to pause. According to Google, this feature will extend battery life up to 48 hours. The Pixel 5 supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. This means that you can use your Pixel 5 to charge other devices wirelessly. You can use it to charge wireless headphone cases and even other smartphones that support wireless charging. Considering the Pixel 5's great display, big battery, awesome camera, IP68 water resistance, and other great features, we can definitely say the Pixel 5 is a phone worth having. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Do you plan on getting the Pixel 5? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.